Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Four from TradeWinds.com, and this is our update for November 8th, 2017. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see another low-range average volume day, but that's been a good thing lately. Slow and steady as she goes. Some new highs again today. The Dow up 6 points, while the S&P was up 3.5. The Nasdaq gained a nice 21 points and a new high there, and the Russell 2000 was up 2.5 points. TLT, the 20-year Treasury bond ETF, pulled back slightly today, took a bit of a day off, down 28 cents, while gold did nicely. It was up almost 6 points at the close, and crude down slightly today after bouncing around and actually putting in a fresh new high of 57.92, closed lower by just 39 cents. Now, last night there were the elections, and the Republican electoral losses last night didn't do a whole lot to slow down the market overall, but certainly did hit the banking sector. I guess the fear out there is that, it could derail their tax reform plan, and the banks who would stand to benefit from it here pulled back today. Bank of America led the way, down 1.5%. Citigroup also closing lower. That's not Citigroup. Let me try that again. There it is. That's Citigroup. JP Morgan. And let's try that one more time. There we go. JP Morgan and Goldman Sachs as well today. Although it did finish strongly. It was lower earlier in the session than bounced. This is interesting for Goldman Sachs here. After earnings, it's gone completely flat, right? So let's have a look at the weekly and the monthly. We can see that weekly still has a pattern, and that is a nice flag-looking type formation here. So keep an eye on these recent highs. If we break through that, 255 is in the cards for Goldman Sachs, and you can see monthly we have nice, strong momentum. So this, to me, is sort of like, a bit of a pause here before we break, and we don't really need to try to look for anything here other than keeping an eye on the highs and the lows. One of them is going to give here. My money's on the upside, but no need to bet before it actually happens. Let's wait for a breakout and then go from there. Also tonight, the earnings continued. After hours, ROKU, the entertainment streaming service, after its IPO in September here, after popping higher the next day and getting to as high as 29.80, has been consistently pulling back. And today closed at 18.84, but after hours, after reporting very strong earnings, stronger than expected, I saw this up about, I should say, just shy of 28%. So expect this to gap significantly higher tomorrow, and that can completely change the direction of this. And now we may be in for higher prices. Remember this one, when it first opened up here, there were plenty of opportunities intraday on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, the 15 minute. Expect some of that tomorrow. I expect a big gap and potentially a big swing throughout the day. So there will be opportunities on the lower time frame. So keep an eye on the 1 minute, the 5 minute, and potentially the 15 minute as well. There'll probably be some nice opportunities there. Okay, that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.